Hello. So I'm about to share my experience with my service dog here at the hotel. It's set up as far as with my service dog. So here's the crate sitting over here by the door, and then the little room tour. So here's your kitchenette area. Here's your cabinets for glasses. There's cabinets for plates. You got a toaster. You got a stove. You have space along with pots and pans underneath there. You have dishes, spoons. You have knives. You have all your cooking utensils. Yeah, that's it. Underneath here you have the dog food. You have you have a recycle bin as well as a trash. Then up here you have a cutting board. You have a sink. You have a scrub mommy for your dishes. Soft scrub dish detergent. You have a coffee maker with your coffee blends over there. And over here you have a full-size kitchen. Full-size refrigerator, excuse me. And you have that. You have a nice table right here. 2 chairs. Over here you have I believe this is a pull-out couch with an ottoman table. You have a table over there, lights. You have a chair, big desk, lots of plugs to plug all your stuff in, USB or plugs. And you have maybe TV right here. It actually goes all the way around. So if you're over here, you can sit down and watch TV. Or if you're in the bed, you can watch TV. Here you have your drawers, big drawers. Put all your clothing in, stuff like that. Here's a big bed. Lighting over here, as well as a view of the strip mall across the street, Publix, all those different things. Over here you have a phone. You have another drawer. Get your Bible in there. You have some more plugs, lights, as well as USBs. You have your closet in here. More drawers. More drawers. You have ironing board on this side. Ironing board. Hangers, standard hangers. You have a big vanity right here. Washcloths, towels, and things like that. And in here, you have your stand-up shower with the conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. Yeah. I want to send a big shout out to Marriott Residence Inn for making this possible with my service dog, making it very seamless and very easy. And for your service dog, they charge nothing. So if you have a service dog, there's no charge for your service dog. There's just charging you for the room. And that's pretty much it. So that right there will conclude my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed me and Gunner here showing you the room. And you have any questions, leave us a comment down in the description, in the comment section. And like I said, thank you very much for watching. And hopefully we'll see you again. Take care and God bless.